Are you ready to learn today? We will have social studies. Please prepare the following: pencil or highlighter, social studies books, activity book and student book, and copybook. Today we will learn more about other achievements of early people. At the end of the day, you will use vocabulary related to chronology, describe how science and technology have changed communication, transportation, and recreation. You will also create visual material. You better listen carefully while I'm discussing about the vocabulary words that we're going to use. The first word is Phoenicians. They are the sailors, shipbuilders, and traders, and they also use the first alphabet. Example sentence: the Phoenicians were known for their expensive purple cloth. Another one is Persians. They started a monetary system, built a canal, and developed a postal system. Example sentence: Persians improved the network of roads. Navigator is a person who conducts explorations by sea. Example sentence: Phoenicians were skilled navigators. Ceramics is the art of making objects by shaping and baking clay. Example sentence: they transported ceramics and metals from port to port. Monetary system is a system of using to pay for goods and services. Example sentence: the Persians started a monetary system in the empire. Export. Export means to send goods to another country for sale. Example sentence: French cheeses are exported to many countries. Import. Import means to buy or bring in products from another country. Example sentence: we import a large number of cars from Japan. Canal. It's a built waterway for ships. Example sentence: we walked along the canal for a couple of miles. Now, prepare yourselves for a vocabulary drill. Number 1. Blank is a person who conducts explorations by sea. Is it A, navigator, or B, archaeologist? Is letter A, navigator, is a person who conducts explorations by sea. Number 2. They are sailors, shipbuilders, traders, and they use the first alphabet. Is it A, Persians, or B, Phoenicians? Is letter B, Phoenicians. They are sailors, shipbuilders, traders, and they use the first alphabet. Number 3. It is a system of using to pay for goods and services. Is it A, monetary system, or B, portal system? The answer is A. Monetary system is a system of using to pay for goods and services. Number 4. Blank started a monetary system, built a canal, and developed a postal system. Is it A, Persians, or B, Phoenicians? Is letter A, Persians started a monetary system, built a canal, and developed a postal system. Finally, number 5. It is a built waterway for ships. Is it A, ceramics, or B, canal? Correct. It's letter B. Canal is a built waterway for ships. Well done, grade 2. Keep it up. Now, kindly grab your student book and open to page 86. We will talk about other achievements of early people. The people who live in Phoenicia are called Phoenicians. The small strip of land between the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains of Lebanon was the land of the Phoenicians. And here we have the picture of the Phoenician traders. Ships had been the trademark of Phoenicians. The Phoenicians, furthermore, were highly skilled sailors, navigators, and shipbuilders. They took their dyed fabrics, cedar wood, ceramics, glass, metals, crops, and oils from port to port. They also transported explorers and traders to distant lands. The Phoenician warships escorted the merchant ships. What are the Phoenicians trading in the picture? Kindly get your highlighter and highlight dyed fabrics, cedar wood, ceramics, glass, metals, crops, and oils. Phoenicians are amazing people. They even developed a simple alphabet, which is consisted of 22 symbols. Can you try to make words using the Phoenician alphabet? Which letters do you miss? Do you see the beautiful clothes on the side? Well, the Phoenicians were known for their expensive purple cloth. The dye for the cloth came from Mediterranean sea snails. The cloth was so difficult and expensive to make that only the very wealthy could afford to buy it. Moreover, the Phoenicians also learned to make glass. They discovered this when they landed on a beach and made a cooking fire. To their surprise, the fire melted the sand into a liquid. This later cooled and hardened to form glass. Phoenician glass was very expensive. Look at how sophisticated these ornaments are. These are all made of glasses. Look at how sophisticated these ornaments are. These are all made of glasses. Another group of early people are Persians. The Persians started a monetary system that was used throughout their empire. They built a canal between the Red Sea and the Nile River. This was a forerunner to the modern Suez Canal, and they also improved the network of roads. With your family, you can discuss the pictures. You may talk about the similarities and differences between ancient times and modern times. And don't you know that Persia had one of the first postal systems in the history? Messengers carried mail on horseback both day and night. Relay stations were built so that a horse could run the distance without getting tired or thirsty. When the messenger reached a station, he would swap his horse for a fresh one. This meant that mail arrived as quickly as possible. Nowadays, we use Facebook messengers, emails, and WhatsApp. Now, you may discuss further the different ways that messages have been delivered over time. Which ways do we still use today? Amazing participation, grade 2. I hope you learned a lot today, but don't forget the facts to remember. Phoenicia. It's a small strip of land between the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains of Lebanon. Phoenicians developed a simple alphabet which consisted of 22 symbols. Phoenicians were known for their expensive purple cloth and discovery of glass. Persians, on the other hand, started a monetary and postal system. Persians also built a canal between the Red Sea and the Nile River. Now grab your activity book and open to page 59. You have to complete the paragraph using the words below. The words in the box are alphabet, sheep, glass, mountains, snails, Phoenicians, and sailors. I repeat, alphabet, sheep, glass, mountains, snails, Phoenicians, and sailors. The first sentence is, the blank lived between the Mediterranean Sea and the blank of Lebanon. They developed a simple blank. They were skillful blank and blank builders. They made blank from sand and used blank to make dye. Answer carefully. For the second activity, you just have to design a glass object and an item for which purple cloth might be used. You have to be very creative in this part. Have you completed the paragraph using the words below? Now let me read the paragraph with the correct answers. The Phoenicians lived between the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains of Lebanon. They developed a simple alphabet. They were skillful sailors and shipbuilders. They made glass from sand and used the snails to make dye. Very good, grade 2. You did great in participation. Thank you and study well.